A very good morning to the students of class 5. Today our topic is adjective. So let's begin. Okay, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that gives information about noun or pronoun. An adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. We have different kinds of adjectives. Like adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, then proper adjective, possessive adjective, distributive adjective, demonstrative adjective, and interrogative adjective. Okay, first adjective of quality. So adjectives of quality refer to the kind, degree, or quality of something. Example: happy, heavy, excited, long, hot, lovely, lonely, blue, red, dirty, and many others. Okay, now adjective of quantity. The adjectives that indicate the quantity of something are called adjectives of quantity. Like, there is little water in the river. So here little is the adjective of quantity. And always remember that we use adjective of quantity with uncountable noun. Okay, so little, some, then all, much, most, whole, these all are adjectives of quantity. Okay, now adjective of number. So adjectives of number refer to things that can be counted. Okay, example: one, two, thousand, single, double, then many, few. These all are adjectives of number. Okay, now proper adjectives. So we form proper adjectives from proper nouns. So for example, India is a proper noun. The people of India are called Indian. So Indian is a proper adjective. Then American, Chinese, Japanese. So the people of America are called American. So the term American is proper adjective. Okay, now possessive adjective. So it is very easy. So adjectives that show possession are called possessive adjectives, like your, our, her, his, its, my, etc. Now distributive adjectives. So adjectives which are used to refer people or things individually among many are called distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives are each, every, either, neither. Okay, example: each of my friends calls me once a week. So we need to keep in mind that after using distributive adjective we should use plural noun and singular verb. Like, neither of the mechanics wants to work on Sundays. So here neither of the mechanics, plural noun, wants singular verb. So neither of the mechanics wants to work on Sundays. Okay, next, demonstrative adjectives. So adjectives that indicate a particular noun are called demonstrative adjectives. These are these, this, these, 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 then that, those. These are demonstrative adjectives. We use this, these, and that, that for singular nouns, and we use these and those for plural nouns. And these and these, this, these, and these are used to indicate things that are close by. That and those are used to indicate things that are farther away. After that, interrogative adjectives. So adjectives that are used to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives. Example, what time is it? Or whose book is lost? Then which girl is taller? In these sentences, the adjectives what, whose, and which modify nouns to indicate a question about them. Okay, now when we use two or more than two adjectives with a noun, we follow a certain order. So first we have to write the quality of that noun, like beautiful, smart, or anything. Then we have to write size, like small, little, big, large, tall, etc. Then the shape, like round, square, rectangular. Then we have to write first the quality, then size, large or tiny, then age, then shape, round or square, then color, orange or red, then origin, like Indian, Australian, then material, like cotton, iron, then the purpose. Okay, in this matter I will give you a picture. So first quality, then size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and last purpose. Okay students, if you have any queries then ask me.